Hello and good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in this poem. Today, we shall study a new poem that is Now the Leaves Are Falling Fast, written by W.H. Auden. Winston Hughes Auden from 1907 to 1973, who won the Pulitzer Prize in 1948 for his collection The Age of Anxiety, was a versatile and intellectually vigorous poet, verse dramatist, critic, translator, and editor. Now, let us understand the meaning of the first line. He was a versatile and intellectually vigorous poet. He was not only a verse dramatist but also a critic, translator, and editor. He won the Pulitzer Prize for his collection of the Age of Anxiety. Next line. Poetry in him was a serious game which should deepen people's self-awareness, but it should in no case directly affect men's political or religious choices. Now let us understand this second line. He was a very great poet and his writing style directly affect men's political and religious choices. Next line. His early poems exhibit his interest in political affairs and ideas, but his later poems are overtly Christian and more personal in tone. Means, in early times, indirectly he wrote poems related to political affairs, but as time passed, he began to write personal poems related to man's feelings and religions. Now, in the next line. As a technician, Auden explored a variety of stanza, forms, and meters. He had a passion for word coining and using archaic words, which makes him at times difficult to understand. Now, let us understand its meaning. To be technical, he explored or deeply understood a number of stanza, forms, and meters. He had also another passion for word coining and using archaic words. For this passion, sometimes readers have to face problems for these words. Next, he left England as early as 1939 to settle permanently in the United States. Auden's work is divided into the British and American phases. Now let us understand the meaning of this line. Means, firstly, he used to be a citizen of England in at least almost in 1939, but after 39 he permanently settled in USA. For this, his work is divided into British and American phases. The notable works of the English phase are The Orators, The Dance of Death, Look Stranger, A Spain, and Another Time. The notable works of the American phase include New Year Letter, For the Time Being, The Age of Anxiety, and The Shield of Achilles. Means, here are some works of W.H. Auden of England and American. What are they? They are The Orators, The Dance of Death, Look Stranger, A Spain, and Another Time. And the Americans, The New Year Letter, For the Time Being, The Age of Anxiety, and The Shield of Achilles. Next, the present lyric, Now the Leaves Are Falling Fast, enacts the frustration inherent in human life, the aspiration that are not fulfilled, and the sense of loneliness in which every individual lives and dies. Means, the present lyric, Now the Leaves Are Falling Fast, are about the frustration, problems, aspiration, and a sense of loneliness in human life, in which every man lives and dies. Now let us read the poem and understand the paragraph one by one. Now the leaves are falling fast. Nurse's flowers will not last. Nurses to the grave are gone, and the prams go rolling. Let me clear you. Here, leaves is referring the life. Nurse's flowers means small plants growing under the tree, and the prams means a four-wheeled baby carriage. Now, what is being said in the first stanza? Falling of leaves suggests the process of life and death. Like a new leaf, a human being starts as an infant baby. He grows slowly and becomes young. A day comes when he grows old like a leaf which turns pale after a certain period and falls down. Similarly, small plants will also not survive, and nurses will also go to the graves. As the four-wheeled baby carriage runs, the same way our life runs. Next stanza. Whispering neighbors left and right pluck us from the real delight, and the active hands must freeze lonely on the separate knees. Now let us understand this stanza. The messenger of death are near us, maybe are left or right, but it is sure that he will come and take us from here. The friends, the family will be nothing for us. He will take away from the real delight. The hands I was using for my work have now freezed and I was kept. Yeah, we will be kept separately on knees. Now let us see the next stanza. Dead in hundreds at the back, follow wooden in our track. Arms raised stiffly to reprove in false attitudes of love. What is the meaning of this stanza? Meaning is like this. When one dies, hundreds of people are back following the wooden coffins in the track. People are complaining to God why you gave the life when you had to take it back. Why you made us learn the false love and sympathy for a man. Now let us see the next stanza. Starving through the leafless wood, trolls run a scolding for their food, and the nightingale is dumb, and the angel will not come. See the meaning. Trolls. Trolls are the creatures which survived themselves by eating green leaves. Trolls are running either and thither in search of food, as the leaves of the tree has become leafless. And therefore, nightingale is dumb because there is no greenery in the trees left to be happy and sing. And angel will also not come to help us in this situation. We'll see the last stanza. Cold, impossible ahead, lest the mountain's lovely head, whose white waterfall could bless travelers in their last distress. This is the last stanza of the poem, and the poet says that an old person who is very weak is very impossible for him to enjoy his life as he used to do. He only can see the beautiful mountain's head and quench his thirst in the last of his life.